Right, so remember when you open your journal, if you haven't opened it yet, any journal that you have, take it by the corner, can be either corner, top or bottom. I just kind of work from the bottom, but take it from the corner only with one fingertip and just open it. Do you see how it naturally opens to a page? That's really important. That's where you want to start your journal. If you try to fold it over and press it down, the pages just don't stay as nicely. So make sure you're just using that one fingertip and opening it up, and that is going to be your first page. I like to have a calendar in just about everything I do. It's just the way my brain works. I hate having to use my phone for anything planning or calendar related. If I'm in a jam, I will pull my calendar up on my phone, but I like having a calendar just that I can hold in my hands. It's just one of my little quirks. So I already did the April calendar. I only used a couple of pieces out of the Cherry Blossom kit. I will be honest. I chose to use, because I have a ton of these, sampler sticker sheet for my dates and my days of the week. So I did use this sticker sheet. If you guys have some extra sticker sheets laying around, you can certainly do that as well. But I used a little bit of paper and a little sticker up here from the Cherry Blossom kit. Set up my April calendar. It is super cute, if I must say so. I am very excited about it. And I know somebody's going to say, how big are the blocks? So let me show you. They are about 1.75 inches in a square. So 1.75 inches in a square. So 1.75 by 1.75. I do draw them out in pencil first, and then I go back in and draw my lines over them to make it nice and pretty. Really easy to do. Something if you want to do, it's like not very hard. It's just a little bit time consuming, which is why I typically don't do this when I'm live. You can also use elements from the kit itself that comes with this. If you want to use like the Cherry Blossom numbers in here, you can. If you want to make a calendar, but you're like me and you don't want to use these and you don't have a sticker sheet, just write your numbers in. It's not a big deal.